Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we are going to make Kabocha no Nimono Simmered Pumpkin. This is a classic Japanese side dish that appears sometimes in bentos. My family and I love this dish, so I make it year-round. Pumpkin can be hard and heavy, so you might feel a little bit difficult and feel painful to cook with. But if you process them properly, it becomes so much easier to incorporate them into your cooking. And as always, my friendly families, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as a helper. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Simmered pumpkin is ready, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. I like this dish hot. It is slow cooked with fallen lid, so it has lots of flavor in it. It has a sweet taste, which enhances the sweetness of the pumpkin. It has a good balance of salty and sweetness, so I could eat a lot, as much as I can. ごちそうさまでした。Here are some recommendations and tips for today's recipe. Tip: for the preparation, cover the plastic cellophane softly over the bowl and allow a little air to escape before microwaving. And tip: don't cut the skins of the pumpkins too much. Leave a little to make it taste better when you eat it. And tip: I recommend to cut the pumpkins into large pieces so that they will not fall apart during simmering. The flavor will not be overpowered. So those are the recommendations and tips for today's recipe. How was today's simmered pumpkin recipe? I hope this recipe will help you to plan easy and healthy daily meals. And if you see my video for the first time, thank you so much for coming. In this channel, I introduce easy and healthy Japanese recipes, including baby meals, kids meals, and desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi. They also appear in my second channel, YUCa's Diary. So please go there and check them. If you have some recommendations of your country's pumpkin recipes, please tell me in detail. I love pumpkins, so I always looking for new recipes. We will see you next time. Bye bye!